I like them chocolate cocoa puffs. I like them chocolate cocoa puffs.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Allissa Forever here, and today I bring to you Wiggins Hair Review. Y'all know I got y'all. First things first, everybody. Happy New Year 2022. This is the second year into the roaring 20s, you guys. We gotta do what we gotta do. But first off, like I said, this is gonna be a hair review. And I ordered this hair off of Amazon, guys. And let me tell y'all, Amazon be giving. Like, look at this. It's full. It moves. So I got this body wave, and I think it's 18 inches. But I'm gonna put it over here just so you can see exactly what I got. And I know, like, all on TikTok and everything else, it always be, oh, don't sleep on Amazon wigs, don't sleep on Amazon wig. This is not my first Amazon wig, baby. This is not my first rodeo, you know what I'm saying? This is not my first rodeo, but this is the first colored wig I bought. And this is my first hair review of the year, so let's get to it. This is 18 inches, and it's in the color 99J. If y'all see the lines and stuff, I'm over here by my window, and I, like, open the blinds up. It's like one of them push patio type blinds. I went to go open that up, so if you see stuff moving, it's the blind over there because I keep moving. But, so 18 inches, Swiss lace. Okay. I personally think that Swiss lace is the best lace, at least for me. I'm going to try HD because I'm like, my friends be telling me, oh, HD is the best lace. HD is going to be the best lace for, you know, us black girls, blah, 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 blase, blase. So what I did was, y'all see that? Don't talk about my thick baby hairs, y'all. I still got to cut them. Like, I changed my part again, and this isn't like the same first original middle part I had to begin with. So, like, I made new sets of baby hairs, and they like thick, but hey, they cute though. They cute. They cute. So this is body wave hair. I like how it gets wavy and it's crinkly and stuff. I mean, it had more like of a curl to it at first, but then, like, I was wearing it and stuff. I had it in a ponytail for a minute, y'all. But this is the color 99J, I believe. And this was my birthday hair, y'all. When I went out on my trip to Charleston and stuff, I needed a birthday hair. Like, I did have a sew-in, and I'm going to talk about that in another video. So when that video comes out, it will be right here. And you know I buy my hair from Harris Market, so that's where that hair came from. But this is Amazon, y'all, and it feels so good. It's, I believe it's 10A Brazilian, or maybe it's Peruvian, but it feels so nice. It's really not a lot of shedding, none of that. 5x5 closure, part it any way you like. You can curl it, excuse me, you can straighten it, you can do what you want to do with it. I remember I had, like, braids that went back here, kind of, and then it had, like, down, then I had braids that did this, stuff like that. Like, I'm going to insert some pictures of, like, how the hair first looked like, first install, and things like that. But this is the hair, and, like, I would say out of this hair and Amazon hair, this is my first body wave Amazon hair. And for this hair, I give it 5 out of 5 stars. Y'all know I like my stars ratings, and this is a 5 out of 5. It's really good. It's easy. I haven't washed it yet. I don't know if I mentioned this or not, but I haven't washed it yet, and I'm going to wash it and see how it acts. Like, I'm going to wash it real good and then curl it up and stuff like that. But, y'all, let me know in the comments what you want to see me do next, what you want me to review. My next hair review video is going to come out with my Ginger Harris Market hair. You know, I always order from them. But be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. Because I promise, I am going to try to be more active this year, y'all. This is the year I'm coming out of school. I ain't got nothing but time because I don't really got classes like that. Nothing but time. So, have a wonderful time in the world. I'll see y'all later. Please, love, blessings.
Like them chocolate cocoa puffs. Go to the flow and then you beat it, say so. I say Jason, Misha, Dunn.